Morning, everyone. Kind of got a little ahead of myself as far as doing a video to what I'm doing inside the truck, but I'm making these little brackets. They don't have to be great, but I'm going to install these LED lights. These are for an RV, so they're really inexpensive, but they put off a lot of light. And then what it'll end up doing is it'll look like this one right here, right there. So, and then I'll bend it up a little bit so it doesn't look so bulky. Not that you'll see it when you're sitting in the driver's seat, but it's just a thing about me as far as being a perfectionist on some of this stuff. But so these will be interior lights if I didn't say it earlier. So you'll hit this switch right here, and then you'll have inside lights. And I'll come back with a video once I get those wired up and get this last bracket built. So be back later. Bye. All right, so I got those brackets built for those LED lights for the interior, and I've got them mounted. So it's kind of dark initially, but you can see what I did. I put these two mounting bolts in and then mounted this to that metal plate. So, and I did the same thing on that side. And like I said, those are out of an RV. But let's have a look and see what happens here when I turn them on. So like right now, I'm set up off the dash to turn on the headlights and stuff. Let me see if I can get here. But anyways, I'm gonna shut those lights back off, the headlights. And then you can see how bright that is. So that's that passenger side LED. Then the driver's side LED. So technically, I think that's pretty bright. I'd shut off the shop lights, but it's not that big a deal. Kind of get what I'm doing here. So I think that turned out pretty good. Once the floor's in there and stuff, that should really brighten up this thing if you need it. So, like I say, I put a little switch right there. So just hit that switch and boom, you got lights in here. Pretty badass. I think that looks good. So anyways, that's my interior lights are done. And that's with the key off. So if you're on the side of the road or whatever, you can just come in here and flick that. And at night, it's definitely going to be bright in here. Okay. Have a great afternoon. Bye.